Hi, this is my writing intensive course mock interview video for Professor Ann Miller, COM 240. This is take 4, so I hope this gets a little better. It's been a little bumpy as we go along here. So this would be an interview with Mango Medical and Dr. Amy Durler. She is a partner and co-owner of Mango Medical that has 7 facilities throughout the Hawaiian Islands, 5 of which are here on the Big Island and 2 of which are on Maui. And the first question that is on the roster here is, how did I hear about Mango Medical? I actually heard about Mango Medical's position to open up a new clinic by being familiar with Dr. Durler and Dr. Durler's husband, who's also a physician that manages and that actually started Mango Medical throughout the Hawaiian Islands several years ago. He has worked with several other nurse practitioners, as well as physicians, occupational therapists, and mental healthcare professionals over the last 7 years, getting the clinics up and running. And we are actually neighbors in Papaloa, and I know that, both Amy and Dr. Durler through meeting in various situations. I also went to Mango Medical Clinic in Waimea and discussed officially with Dr. Durler the possibility of opening Mango Medical Clinic in Papaloa and having me as a partner, and that's how I found out about the possibility of that happening and coming to fruition. So that's how I heard about this position. To start, tell me a little bit about yourself. I am a registered nurse with 4 years of experience, recently attaining my APRN degree. Working towards my nurse practitioner degree was the greatest fulfillment for me and greatest thing to achieve. I've always wanted to help people and patients throughout their lives feel better and just overall stay healthy for a long term. So that has been a big goal of mine for a very long time, and finally able to attain that degree. So now I'm on my way. The next thing is, what are 2 or 3 accomplishments? What 2 or 3 accomplishments have given you the greatest satisfaction? Well, definitely completing my degree as an APRN is one of the biggest accomplishments that I have had recently, and being able to become a nurse and help people in need is definitely a really great accomplishment to me. This has been a long-term goal, and I'm finally seeing things come to fruition, so I'm very excited about that. What college subjects did you like best and least? The college subjects that I liked the most were pathophysiology, the actual study of diseases and how they affect the human condition, were very interesting to me. Being able to understand how these certain conditions work on the body, anywhere from diabetes to different types of cancer, things that are really kind of prevalent in our daily lives now, has been of great interest to me, and being able to understand how to treat that is of utmost importance to me, as well as making sure the mental health care of our patients when they do encounter certain things is very important to me, to make them, or to help them understand that there are certain treatments for them out there that are available, and that they can live a quality of life and be okay. And then the next question is, what adjectives would I use to describe myself? I'm definitely a very positive person, very personable, as far as being able to have a conversation with just about anybody and have someone feel very warm and welcome in my presence, and know that I am talking directly with them, and to have a phenomenal way to communicate with people, with individuals. And let's see, what is your ideal job? My ideal job is opening up a health and wellness clinic in Papaloa, being able to service our community here, helping patients throughout their lifespan is a goal and utmost achievable goal for me. Where do I see myself in 5 years? I see myself in that clinic in Papaloa, working with Mango Medical directly, partnering, collaborating with other nurses, other physicians on what and how we can help our community, how we can give back. What are your interests outside of work? My interests outside of work actually are paddling. I paddled with the UH for the last 2 semesters, as much as I possibly could. With school and things, priorities take a certain level, and so I was able to paddle and really enjoyed doing that. I like to run, I like to bicycle, I like to swim. I also like to scuba dive, and I have a Newfoundland that I spend quite a bit of time with when I can, and that's what I like to do. What attracted you to the company? I like the fact to work with Mango Medical and be a partner, and I have a value add to give back to the community. I have many years of experience and a vested interest in a clinic here in our community to service our neighbor and be available to them whenever they need it. What have you done to learn about this company? I've actually visited each of the Mango Medical clinics here on the island. My plan is to actually go to Maui and visit those clinics over there as well, getting to know their staff, other nurses, occupational therapists, physicians, partnering with them, discussing how their particular clinic is ran, what their daily schedules look like, and things of that nature. What is your greatest strength? My greatest strength is my determination to succeed and my determination to make sure that my patients are healthy individuals, and if anybody has any questions, they feel comfortable enough to call me and ask me. I am readily available for them any time that they need it, 24/7 if they need it. They are going to be my priority, and I will ensure that they feel that way. What is your greatest weakness? Greatest weakness is it's a 24/7 job, and I'm not really good at being able to say no or say I can't. I'm always saying yes, I can help you, I can do anything that you need in order to make sure that you're okay. So that is it's a positive and it's a negative, but I like to look at things more so on the positive side of life. So I am here for that purpose. What makes you think you're qualified to work for this company? I have many years of experience as a registered nurse, and my determination as an APRN will ensure the success of Mango Medical in the Papaloa area. I'm accountable and responsible for my actions, and it will show in the clinic as it succeeds. I have excellent time organization skills in addition to many computer program skills, and I know that this will ensure the success of the Papaloa Mango Medical Clinic. And I'm interviewing 120 people for 2 jobs. Why should I hire you? Because I am the person you have been looking for. You will not find anybody like me that is as determined and as ready to take on this huge accomplishment of having Mango Medical here in the Papaloa area. I will make sure that this clinic succeeds. I will be marketing it. I will be going around meeting with our neighbors and individuals, introducing myself, making sure that they know the clinic is here and readily available. I can be available at the senior center on certain days of the week to ensure that people have access to our healthcare clinic, and we will just be a stellar success. I'm positive of it. And the last question is, what questions do you have for Mango Medical? And the question is, when is a good time to follow up with you? Next week, or should I wait till the end of the day today? I would like to make it very evident that I am the person that you're looking for, and Mango Medical is exactly what I need and this community needs. So when would be a good time to follow up, and when can we start opening up this clinic, and when can we start seeing patients? And with that, I think I will close my mock interview, and I look forward to opening up this clinic. You have no idea. All right. Thank you, Dr. Miller. This has been a great class. I really appreciate it.